Ollama enters 2025 as one of the most disruptive platforms in the world of AI, positioning itself as the go-to solution for running large language models directly on your own machine. In a market dominated by cloud-based tools that require constant internet access, subscriptions, and data sharing, Ollama flips the script by offering privacy first, local deployment of AI models that anyone can access, whether you're a developer, researcher, or just an enthusiast experimenting with the latest advancements in artificial intelligence. But the real question is, does Ollama truly deliver a smooth, powerful, and practical AI experience locally, or is it still too technical for the average user? At first glance, Ollama's appeal lies in its simplicity. Instead of wrestling with complex configurations or cloud accounts, you can install Ollama with just a few commands and start pulling models like Llama 2, Mistral, or other open source LLMs right to your machine. Everything is optimized for macOS and Linux, with Windows support on the way, giving you access to state-of-the-art AI without depending on external servers. This also means your data never leaves your device, perfect for those who prioritize security and privacy in an age where cloud providers harvest user data. Functionality is where Ollama shines. It integrates seamlessly into developer workflows, offering APIs, CLI commands, and a growing ecosystem of integrations. You can spin up local chatbots, experiment with fine-tuned models, or embed Ollama into your own apps without touching the cloud. For content creators, Ollama provides instant responses without latency spikes, since everything runs locally. For businesses, it allows sensitive data to be processed in-house, meeting strict compliance requirements while still leveraging AI's efficiency. Performance is another major strength. Thanks to quantization techniques, Ollama lets you run massive models on consumer-grade hardware by compressing them into smaller, optimized formats. That means you don't need a data center or an expensive GPU cluster. You can run 7 billion or even 13 billion parameter models on a modern laptop. With Apple Silicon chips like the M2 and M3, Ollama taps into advanced neural engines for even faster inference. For developers, this unlocks real experimentation without huge costs. Of course, challenges remain. Not every model runs as smoothly as advertised, and performance varies depending on your hardware. While Ollama's library of supported models is growing, it doesn't yet cover every niche, and some users may find themselves limited compared to cloud-based platforms with virtually unlimited compute. Newcomers to AI may also face a learning curve in terms of setup, commands, and model management, although Ollama's documentation and community are expanding to help bridge that gap. Still, the value proposition is undeniable. Instead of paying recurring fees for API tokens or worrying about your prompts being logged by third parties, you can take full control of your AI experience locally. For startups, this reduces costs. For researchers, it ensures reproducibility. For privacy advocates, it guarantees ownership of data. Ollama is more than a tool. It's a statement about the future of AI, decentralized, private, and user-controlled. The bottom line? Ollama in 2025 is one of the most exciting tools in the AI landscape. It empowers users to bring advanced language models to their own hardware, cutting dependence on big tech clouds while giving developers and creators more freedom. It may not yet be as polished or beginner-friendly as some web-based platforms, but its trajectory is clear. Local AI is here to stay, and Ollama is leading the charge. Mission accomplished if this review helps you decide whether Ollama deserves a place in your workflow, your toolkit, or even just your laptop at home.